So welcome to the second part. In this section, we are going to recall how to find the areas of rectangles, triangles, and trapezoids. We just learned this in the last chapter. For rectangle, we can use the formula, the area equals length times width, or LW. So for example, if we have a rectangle with length of 10 centimeters and the width of 5 centimeters, we can just plug in the number 10 times 5. So the area of this triangle is 50 square centimeters. For a triangle, we use the formula 1/2 times base times height because the area of a triangle is half of a rectangle of the same base and height. So for example, if this triangle has the base of 13 centimeters and the height of 10 centimeters, you can write the formula 1/2 times 13 times 10. And because 10 can be divided by 1/2, I divided 10 by 2 and gives me 5. So now I have 5 times 13, which equals to 65 square inches. You may rewatch this part one more time if you're still confused about how to find the area of a triangle. And then we have a trapezoid. So for trapezoid, it's a little more complicated. Remember that the trapezoid is a combination of two triangles. So we can use the same formula as a triangle, 1/2 times height, but instead of times base, we have two bases. So you have to add the two bases, which are the sum of parallel sides. So one way to notice the bases are the arrows that shows that they are parallel. So these are base 1 or b sub 1, and this is the base 2, which is b sub 2. And then the height just goes between or perpendicular to the bases. For this example, we have 1/2 times the height. The height is 4 meters, and times the sum of parallel side, which is 8 plus 6, because these two sides parallel, equals to 14. So I can write it down as 1/2 times 4 times 14. And because 4 can be divided by 2, I have 2 times 14 equals to 28 square meters. Remember that the unit of an area is always square something something. Square unit, square meters, square feet, square inches, square centimeters, square miles, square kilometers. Okay, but it's not going to be just inches or meters. It has to be square. And you're going to take as much time as you want to complete the quick check, finding the area of each figure. The first figure is a rectangle, second one is a triangle, and the last one is a trapezoid. Notice how the parallel sides are on the side, not on the top and the bottom, and the height is perpendicular to those parallel sides. I'll see you soon.